SONN stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything, and shown what's actually working and what's not, and making money. Sonnet BioTherapeutics. I love this bullish market. I think this is very juicy and has a big potential. But last thing that I would do, mate, is just randomly buy. And just to kind of hover around the point that I've actually been bullish this way beforehand. Now it's $8. I've been bullish since 3. Here's the proof. Boom. Like at the time, this was 3rd of July.
No receipts, which is
look, it was 385 at the time. And since that point, it reached like freaking 8. Now I'm very kind of hyped up about this because if I see a double break, then I'm obviously looking to double down even more and buy. You know what I mean? Like randomly buying will not cut it. But if there is a solid shift and a double break, this can be huge. But people think that I'm immediately going to buy. No, I'm waiting for rules. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.